my next video, I'd like to do one on an IMS service update. So I'm running the Samsung S25 Ultra and One UI 8 Beta 4. And they said this was coming out in the Beta 4 version. So I'm just going to read what it is here. So Samsung IMS IP Multimedia Subsystem is a service that provides high-definition voice and video calling and rich communication services, enhanced chat features to Galaxy devices. If you click the OK button, the improved system Samsung IMS will be downloaded. So the size is 110 meg. Please note any data charges, blah, 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 blah. So I downloaded it, and it's obviously a background kind of thing. I've not noticed any changes. I've already had crystal clear service with who I have. So I guess this helps with, provides high definition voice and video calling and rich communication services. So this is something new. And you can't update it like normal. It came out. It just came on my screen, and I tapped OK. I wanted to download it, and it restarted my phone. So this isn't something that you can update in the Google Play or Samsung Play or whatever. It comes out, but you have to have the One UI 8 Beta 4, and eventually, obviously, when the final comes out, you'll have to have this, or this will be included in it. I'd imagine it'd probably be included in the final version, but I'll put a description if I notice any clarity. Honestly, I don't make a whole lot of phone calls, so it's never been an issue with me. I know I have a cell phone and I know a smartphone, and I don't make many phone calls, but all my stuff is all business stuff, texting, internet, stuff like that. I don't take a lot of time on the phone. It's a waste to me. But anyway, that's what this update does. It helps you with providing high def voice and video calling. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.